Hey y'all, me and Courtney wanted to ask y'all, have y'all tried eating feed pasture? What? Courtney, I'm trying to tell them. Anyways, let's get into this video about eating pet and pasture. Let's go. Hey y'all, so today we're gonna talk about this bedding right here. This bedding isn't just any regular hay. This is hemp bedding for your pets. You can use this for pigs, chickens, goats, turkeys, ducks, any kind of livestock, okay? If it's outside, you can use it. If you got a rabbit inside, you can use it. It is not dusty, okay? That's a plus. Also, this helps cut down on smell, bacteria. It even absorbs moisture well, okay? So that's a big plus in my book. I don't like smells. And I don't want my chickens to have to deal with rainwater moisture that might come through the cracks or whatever. You know what I mean? So we're going to try this out with our girls today in their nesting box. It's time for me to go ahead and dust it out and switch it out. So we're going to get into this. I'm excited because I've been wanting to try nesting pads. So, you know what? Matter of fact, y'all give me 1 second. Be right back. Oh, and before I forget, y'all, this hemp is biodegradable. That is a plus in my book. Okay, let's check out these nesting pads. Okay, Claire. Y'all, we have been wanting to try nesting pads for a minute. I kept seeing a lot of people talk about them. And I am so excited we get to try these. I think the girls are going to like these. So we about to head over to the nesting box. Let's go. Let's go put them in there. Oh, need the whole box. Okay, y'all. We about to put this here, Eaton, Pet, and Pasture in this here nesting box. Made by my husband. Thanks, boo. Anyway, let's go ahead and add this in there. Now, I did have pine shavings in here. And I like pine shavings. Listen here, they never cause me any issues. The chickens don't mind them. They in here now trying to nest. So, I think we might just do, oh, I see somebody pecking an egg. No, ma'am. Looked like a Silky was getting ready to go on peck patrol. So, save that egg. I think we're just gonna do nesting pads, I guess. They in here being drama queens, are y'all? Anybody else in here? Nobody else is in here? Okay, so they might cooperate for me. So, let's see. Let me go get my dustpan. Oh, this is so much better than the other broom and dustpan thing I use. Also, don't forget to save your bags because during wintertime you can use them as installation for your chicken coops or nesting box. Just a side note, because that's what I do. And it seems like it works. No issues. Okay, we are partially clean for the most part. Y'all, I just cleaned this nesting box a week ago. My little divas are just nasty. Really, I think it's my teenagers. Okay. I would say that is clean enough. Okay. So, we're going to take one of our nesting pads and we're going to put one in each one of the holders, which are the buckets that my husband made for the chickens so that they can have them to nest on. This is our first time actually using nesting pads, so we don't know how they will react. Hopefully they don't mind them. So I think what I might do is just leave 2 at the top without nesting pads so that they can just get used to it. Hello, Charlotte. Okay. We're going to put some of this down in there. Alrighty. Let's see how they like that. I think they might actually enjoy it. So like I said, I left 2 at the top empty on each side. So then that way they can make their own decision. And I'm just going to watch on the camera. And that way I'll know. But I think they're going to like them. I think they're going to like them. I have a feeling that I'm going to come back out here later on today. And I'm going to find at least 13 or 14 eggs. So until next time, y'all, don't forget to check out Eaton Pet and Pasture products. I'm going to make sure I put the link in my bio up above, or it'll be down below in the description. And don't forget to like and follow, and check out the rest of the videos. Till next time, y'all. Love you, made it. Chicken Lady out. Hey, Big Mama.